It's raining.
Boring.
Benjamin is snoring.
We went to bed and say hi.
Hey.
Ooh.
Ooh. Thunder. You okay, butterfly? Poor little thing. Whoa, that's heavy.
Heavy rain, dude. Jason.
I don't get it.
The game.
God, the whole road's like swimming.
It's nice it's not raining in the window.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give a little update about butterfly.
Okay. Oh, it's chilly. I bet you're glad you're not out there anyway, butterfly. Tom wanted me to put you back outside.
So it's a few hours later, and it's pouring down outside. The butterfly's still just chilling in here. He's probably an old butterfly.
He's not very well.
Not very well.
I'm just making him comfy.
Yeah, gonna keep him in here till the rain stops.
Oh, it's...
Oh,
Oh. I like it when it's hard rain. Noah's Ark type rain.
I like Noah's Ark type rain. I'm falling out of the window.
Oh no!
If I dropped my phone, I'd be quite sad.
But
So
if it survived, you'd have a very good video.
I'd have an amazing video, but very probably a smash show. Yeah. Dude. Oh, the butterfly's shivering.
Oh, you should close the window.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.